Welcome back. 30 travel gadgets on Amazon. Leaking bottles, overweight bags, tangled cables. We found something that fixes all of it. If you travel twice a year, this list pays for itself. Let's get into it. Tangled cables at the bottom of a bag means spending 5 minutes finding the right one every time. The NISHEL travel cord organizer runs a 2-layer system. Elastic loops on top for thin cables and flash drives, deep bottom compartment for bulky chargers, power banks, and adapters. Water resistant, lightweight, and everything stays where you put it. The kind of organizer that makes unpacking at a hotel actually straightforward. Loose clothes in a suitcase means repacking everything every time you need something from the bottom. The Bulyoou 7-piece compression packing cube set actively compresses your gear down to recover real luggage space. 7 color-coded cubes, labeled Monday through Sunday, handle weekly outfit planning without thinking about it. Oversized for bulky items, mesh panels let you see what's inside without opening everything. Hot coffee, phone, and a rolling suitcase through a crowded airport is genuinely difficult with 2 hands. The XBagSJ luggage cup holder slides over your suitcase handle and holds your drink up front while the back pocket handles your phone, boarding pass, and ID. Adjusts to fit most cup sizes, folds flat when you're done, and costs less than the coffee you're putting in it. The KElofoN Travel jewelry case keeps necklaces on dedicated hooks, rings in rolls, and smaller pieces in removable compartments. Nothing tangles, nothing scratches on the velvet interior. Built-in mirror for touch-ups, waterproof leather outside, and it fits in a purse. Comes packaged well enough to give without wrapping it yourself. A wet cotton towel stuffed in a gym bag or backpack is unpleasant and takes forever to dry. This quick-dry microfiber towel is 60 by 30 inches, absorbs twice its weight in water, and dries 3 times faster than cotton. Folds into its own carry pouch, lint-free, and has a snap loop to hang anywhere. $16. The towel upgrade that's hard to justify skipping at that price. Propping your phone against a water bottle on a tray table works until turbulence hits. The Perilogics universal in-flight phone mount clamps onto a tray table, luggage handle, or gym equipment with dual joints and full 360-degree rotation. Fits any phone size, folds down small enough to disappear in a bag, and holds position through a bumpy flight. Over 1 million travelers use one. There's a reason for that. Bulky jackets and sweaters are the reason most suitcases won't close. The Numola vacuum storage bag set comes with a pocket-sized wireless USB rechargeable pump. Load the bag, pull the zipper, attach the pump, and it pulls the air out in under 20 seconds, compressing gear down by up to 80%. 15 bags across 3 sizes, so everything from a t-shirt to a winter coat has a bag that fits. Budget airline carry-on fees are avoidable if your personal item is actually engineered around the size limit. The Taygeer travel backpack fits under the seat, opens 180 degrees for fast TSA checks, and fits a 15-inch laptop. Dedicated waterproof pocket for wet toiletries, separate shoe bag so dirty shoes stay away from clean clothes, and a top handle that converts it to a briefcase. A Ziploc bag full of toiletries works until you need to find something at 6 a.m. in a dark hotel bathroom. The NISHEL hanging toiletry bag unfolds into 4 compartments with elastic pockets for bottles and transparent zipper windows so you can see everything without unpacking. Built-in hook hangs directly on a towel rack and keeps your gear off the hotel counter entirely. Most packing cube sets stop at the clothes. This one covers the whole suitcase. The Veken travel set includes 4 sizes of mesh packing cubes with snag-free zippers, a 4-compartment hanging toiletry bag, and a laundry bag that converts into a wearable drawstring backpack for dirty clothes or a quick day pack at your destination. One set, entire suitcase organized. Most people don't know if TSA searched their bag until they get home and find things moved around. The Forge Optimus TSA lock has a built-in alert indicator. A red pin pops up if the bag was opened, so you know before you leave the airport. Zinc alloy body, lifetime guarantee, and a relock mechanism that requires agents to lock it back up before removing the master key. The Silicone travel container kit is BPA-free, with a leak-proof design that holds up under cabin pressure. 4 TSA-approved bottles, 4 mini scoops for thick creams, 16 custom labels so you know what's what, and a clear travel bag that goes straight through security without unpacking. The complete kit versus buying bottles individually. This one is practical and nobody talks about it enough. Poo-Pourri's pocket-sized spray uses essential oils to trap odors under the water surface before they escape. Not a cover-up, an actual barrier. 1 ounce, 50 uses, TSA approved, fits in a pocket without anyone knowing it's there. The EDC item that handles the situations no other gear prepares you for. Economy seats on a long flight are rough on your legs and lower back. This actually helps. The airplane foot hammock straps over the tray table and adjusts from 17 to 34 inches, giving your feet and calves somewhere to rest instead of the floor. Premium foam relieves the pressure that builds up on long hauls. Set includes a sleep mask, earplugs, and a travel pouch. The difference between arriving wrecked and arriving functional. Getting waved out of the security line because your liquids aren't in a clear bag is an avoidable problem. These TSA 311 clear toiletry bags are thick, leak-proof PVC with a wide opening, smooth zippers, and a side handle for quick removal from your carry-on. If something leaks mid-flight, it stays contained in the bag. 2-pack at a low price point. Packing full-size styling tools for a trip means sacrificing half your carry-on space. This 8-piece styling set covers the essentials without the bulk. 4 topsy-tail tools for quick braids, a teasing brush, an edge brush for baby hairs, and 2 heat-resistant rat tail combs. Lightweight, compact, handles everything from a fast airport ponytail to a put-together look for dinner. Full styling capability that actually fits in a toiletry bag. Wet swimwear or sweaty gym clothes loose in a suitcase with clean clothes is a quick way to ruin a trip. These waterproof travel laundry bags are 22 by 14 inches unfolded, fold down to palm size, and seal with a secure zipper. Tear-resistant waterproof polyester means nothing leaks through. 4 colors in the pack for sorting by person, day, or clothing type. Takes up no space and solves a real problem. Hot sand, sharp shells, and slippery boat decks are 3 problems one pair of shoes can solve. The ATHMILE quick-dry water shoes fit like a sock with a heavy-duty anti-slip rubber sole. Protects your feet at the beach, lake, water park, or boat without the bulk of traditional water shoes. Lightweight and fold flat, so they take up almost no luggage space. The footwear that earns its spot in the suitcase every trip. Traveling in the dead of summer or getting stuck on a stuffy hot airplane is the absolute worst. You need this Gaiatop mini portable fan in your carry-on. Instead of just sitting flat, it features a genius flexible silicone tripod. You can wrap it directly around your airplane tray table, a beach umbrella, or a rental car headrest for a powerful breeze literally anywhere. It is USB rechargeable and lasts up to 10 hours on a single charge. Mystery Ranch builds some of the most durable bags in the industry. Their packing system reflects that. The Void Bag set is 3 weather-resistant pouches weighing half a pound combined. The trapezoid shape is specifically designed to fit the dead space in corners of a bag or backpack, the spots regular cubes don't reach. Built for tech, camera gear, toiletries, whatever needs to stay organized and accessible. A wet bar of soap in a toiletry bag soaks through everything around it. The Tbestmax travel soap case has a locking, leak-proof lid and a built-in silicone handle that hangs directly on a shower head, so your soap never touches a gym or hostel shower floor. 2-pack, so you have one for home and one that stays in your travel bag. Simple fix for a consistently unpleasant travel problem. Lip balm, cords, and small accessories loose in a carry-on means digging through everything to find anything. The BAGSMART mini puffy pouch is soft padded fabric with an internal slip pocket to separate small items. Water-resistant outside handles make up spills without damage, and the whole thing is washable. Light enough that adding it to your bag doesn't register. The seat back pocket is one of the least cleaned surfaces on a plane. That's well documented at this point. The SoMine airplane pocket organizer slides over the tray table and gives you 4 expandable pockets for a tablet, phone, snacks, and passport, all within reach without touching the seat back. Water-resistant, machine-washable, and folds flat to clip onto your carry-on. Cleaner alternative that also keeps you more organized during the flight. Shoes packed directly with clothes transfer dirt, odor, and whatever was on the ground into everything else in the suitcase. The Teskyer shoe bags are waterproof PE material with a dual drawstring. Dirt and odor stay contained inside. Frosted semi-transparent design means you can see which shoes are in which bag without opening them. 6-pack covers a full trip with pairs to spare. A fan, a power bank, and a flashlight in something that fits in your pocket is a hard combination to argue with. The JISULIFE 3-in-1 Pocket Bear fan folds down small, runs up to 19 hours on a charge, and the base doubles as a USB power bank for your phone. Flashlight built in for emergencies. 3 tools consolidated into one item that weighs almost nothing. The summer travel gadget that keeps earning its spot in the bag. Most travel cosmetic bags look like they came free with hotel stay. The uekeboag quilted floral cosmetic bag is 10 by 6 inches, enough room for skincare, palettes, and brushes, but soft quilted cotton means it compresses down to fit wherever you need it. Heavy-duty stitching, smooth zipper, and a design that actually looks like something you'd buy on purpose. Functional storage that doesn't look like luggage. A hat takes up half a carry-on or gets crushed if you try to pack it flat. Neither option is great. The Niveaya magnetic hat clip is genuine leather with an N52 magnet that grips the brim without creasing it, and a carabiner that hooks onto a backpack, purse, or luggage handle. Hat stays in shape, hands stay free, and you don't sacrifice suitcase space. Makeup brushes loose in a toiletry bag get crushed, pick up debris, and contaminate everything around them. The AGIKET silicone makeup brush holder is flexible, skin-friendly silicone with a magnetic closure that snaps shut automatically. Bristles stay protected, nothing falls out in the bag, and if it gets covered in powder, you wipe it clean with soap and water. Cheap travel spray bottles shoot a stream instead of a mist. For toners and hair products, that's essentially unusable. These fine mist travel bottles have an atomizer nozzle that disperses an even cloud. Same result as the full-size bottle at home. 2 ounces each, TSA approved, threaded screw cap that doesn't leak in a makeup bag. 2 packs so you can separate your products. Asking strangers to take your vacation photos is a gamble every single time. This all-in-one travel tripod collapses to 12 inches, extends to 62, and works as both a selfie stick and a freestanding tripod with a wind-resistant aluminum base. The handle has a detachable wireless remote built in. Set it up, step back, and shoot from up to 33 feet away.